Hello everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hi. Hi Ramin. Okay guys, tonight we are going to talk about Dogecoin and also Bitcoin. We are actually going to cover everything you need to know about Doge and Bit. So watch this live carefully until the end because I have some updated analysis about Bitcoin. Especially we are going to take a look at on-chain activity and see what's happening today in cryptocurrency market. And this live is going to be pretty nice and pretty useful. So I recommend you to stay till the end because we are going to actually cover everything. I can see some activity in on-chain. Hi everyone. Okay. Right now I'm going to begin with Bitcoin analysis. After that we are going to take a look at Dogecoin, okay? So let's begin, and I'm going to rotate this camera in order to show you the chart, the full chart of Bitcoin. In order to talk about Bitcoin with technical analysis aspect, we need to know some tips in this chart, which is going to be pretty profitable. Right now for Bitcoin, we are having this bearish trend line here. And this bearish trend line is showing us $46,000. Okay, 45, $46,000. This is the potential resistance area for Bitcoin because we have dynamic and static resistance areas. Okay, so this is really important, and we have this setup right now for Bitcoin. If we go to the lower time frames, if we go to, for example, 1 hour time frame, we can draw another trend line, which is going to be this one, and we have this trend line too. So right now for Bitcoin, this area is really strong for Bitcoin. Okay, this is quite important that this area is pretty huge for Bitcoin, and I think we are not going to break above this level at the first try at least. Okay, it's going to be several bounces and several movements from this level. So this level is really strong right now, $45,600 to $46,000. It's going to be really strong for Bitcoin. And that's everything you need to know about Bitcoin technical analysis right now. This is everything we have with technical analysis view. The weekly candle is going to be closed tomorrow, and I'm pretty curious to see the weekly close because the weekly close is going to be too important, and this weekly close is really important. If we zoom in on the weekly time frame, we can see triple shadows here. In weekly time frame we have these shadows. So if we have any kind of uptrend movements, we are going to see a rejection from this level. And yeah, right now the Bitcoin resistance area is $45,600 to $46,400. This is a potential resistance area for Bitcoin. As long as we are below this level, we are in the bearish market in cryptocurrency market with technical analysis view. Okay, this is really important, and I think I've talked about it in the easiest way possible. Okay, the easiest way possible, and I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, guys, is everything good? Is this live understandable? Is my voice clear? If we see a rejection from $46, will we have rejections in altcoins too? Yes, we are going to see rejections in altcoins too. So this is everything about Bitcoin with technical analysis point of view, which is quite important, and we talked about it. Right now in the lower time frames, let's check 1 hour time frame. We are having a long shadow to the upside again. If I see one big red candle, I'm going to enter short position. Okay, if I see one on 1 hour time frame, I'm going to enter short position. Guys, you can increase the quality of this live from the bottom side of, there are 3 dots at the left, at the right side in the bottom. You can increase the quality of the live. So it was a technical analysis view. Let's check some on-chain activities. We are going to begin with wallets with more than 1 Bitcoin. They are buying, and it's a good sign actually, because wallets with more than 1 Bitcoin, they can determine the short-term trend in cryptocurrency market. Right now they are buying, which is pretty good, and this is a good sign in cryptocurrency market. Let's check wallets with more than 10 Bitcoin. If we zoom in, you can see that they are not doing anything special. And also if we check wallets with more than 100 Bitcoin, we can see that they are selling gradually, which is bad. Wallets with more than 100 Bitcoin, they are selling gradually, which is not really good. And also wallets with more than 1,000 Bitcoin, they are not doing anything special since the correction began. So not really special. Wallets with more than 10,000 Bitcoin, they are not doing anything since we had the correction in the cryptocurrency market. So these data are telling me that we are going to see some rejections from $46,000. Okay, this is my analysis about Bitcoin, and we can check more and more data. For example, we can change exchange balance. We can check exchange balance. It's moving down a little bit, nothing really special, and I'm really curious about pool multiple. I hope this pool multiple moves down, okay, because if pool multiple moves down to this green area, we are going to see some huge bounces in cryptocurrency market. And we can check too many stuff in cryptocurrency market. Let's see market indicator. You are asking me if we are having a stop hunter in 1 hour time frame in Bitcoin chart. I'm suspicious about the stop hunter. If I see one big red candle, I might enter short position. Right now I'm waiting. Okay, right now I'm patient. Right now I'm waiting. If I see something like that, I'm going to enter short position. I want one big red candle. After that we can sell, which is not going to be a financial advice actually. And this stable coin supply ratio is moving down, which is nice, because this stable coin supply ratio matters too much to me, because if this stable coin supply ratio move down, It's showing us that we are somewhere around the potential bottom in cryptocurrency market. Right now, this stablecoin supply ratio is pretty low, and I'm waiting. I think after we hit $46,000, we are going to see some changes in on-chain activities. We are going to see one last drop in cryptocurrency market. Okay. So this is everything about Bitcoin, and right now I'm waiting for Bitcoin to see if it was a stop hunter. I'm going to enter short position. I'm going to sell it. Let's check Dogecoin on the daily time frame or even weekly time frame. I always begin my analysis on the higher time frame possible. For example, here for Dogecoin, we had a potential support area on 16 cents, and also 16 cents up to 17 cents, which was actually pretty strong. And right now we are somewhere around this area. The weekly candle is going to get closed tomorrow, and I can see another resistance for Dogecoin. This area is pretty huge for Dogecoin. It's 20 cents. And you can see that we had bunch of rejections from this 20 cents area because it was a previous support, and support here. And after the breakout, it was resistance, and right now we are below this resistance. If Doge breaks above this level, we are actually going to see Dogecoin somewhere around 30 cents once more. And if we see one big red candle, we are going to see some lower levels again. Okay, right now it's a critical level for Dogecoin. I'm waiting for some price action at this level. If I see anything, I can actually decide to enter buy or sell position. Okay. Right now I'm just observing this crypto, but in my opinion, we are going to see, my opinion is that we are going to see some higher levels. We might have another correction, we might break above it at this phase of market, but we are going to see higher levels. It's going to happen with correction or even without correction. This is my idea about Dogecoin. I think we are going to see some higher levels, and I'm going to tell you why. Because we are moving in this bearish channel, which is going to be something like this channel. It's a bearish channel for Doge, and Doge is actually trying to break above the middle line of this channel. And I think it's going to happen. I think we are going to see the top of this channel again for Dogecoin. And this is my analysis about it. And this is not a financial advice, actually. I'm not responsible for your buy and sell positions. But I think we are going to see higher levels. We might have a correction first. When I'm watching this chart, we might have another correction, but after that we can actually hit some higher levels. I think it's this setup is going to happen, but my idea, my analysis is bullish for Dogecoin. And I'm really wondering, what do you think about Dogecoin? Is Dogecoin going to hit the top of this channel again or not? In my opinion, the sentiment of Dogecoin is really, really nice, and Elon Musk is supporting it really well. With this setup, Dogecoin actually can hit some higher levels. This is my opinion, but I'm really curious about your opinion too. What do you think about Dogecoin? Is Dogecoin bullish or bearish? Come on, guys. What do you think? Bearish? Bullish, bullish. Would be bull soon. You know, if Bitcoin moves up and sees somewhere around $46,000, Dogecoin will hit 21 cents again, okay? And after that, because we are having some sort of bearish movement for Bitcoin, Dogecoin can start another correction to the downside somewhere around 60 cents again. After that, if Bitcoin moves back and see some higher levels, we can actually see some higher levels for Doge too. Okay, this is my analysis about Bitcoin. This is what I think about Bitcoin and also Dogecoin. Okay, this is my complete analysis about Dogecoin, and I'm bullish about it. My opinion is quite bullish about Doge. But I'm keep mentioning that this live video is not a financial advice. Let's check Bitcoin chart again. So Bitcoin is a little bit dead, you know, just consolidating in the time, which is really, really annoying. Let's check 5-minute time frame. I'm suspicious of having some bearish movement in lower time frames of Bitcoin. So, was this live useful for you until now? Guys, stop fighting. Stop fighting, guys. You can increase the quality of the live from the here. You know, if you select somewhere around here, the 3 dots, you can actually increase the quality of tonight's live. That's your own internet, man. Oh, you have noises here. Okay. Should I sell Bitcoin and buy it on lower levels or not? Patience. Yeah, I'm patient too. I'm going to log into my trading account. You might lose the screen for a while. I'm going to come back pretty fast, okay? I'm not going to close this live video, just wait, okay? Factor authenticator key, and right now I'm inside my trading account. I'm sorry about that. Are you here? Are you here, guys? So, let's trade together. Let's trade together. Right now we are having this candle for Bitcoin on 5-minute time frame. This was the potential high for Bitcoin in 5-minute time frame. And do you think I should sell Bitcoin for lower levels or not? Let's check 15-minute time frame. $13-minute time frame. You know, I would like to wait for a 30-minute candle. So, this is my trading account. And I'm holding 1 Bitcoin here, okay? Available balance 1 Bitcoin. And do you think I should sell it and buy it back, for example, somewhere around $42,000 and 800 or not? I'm not using any kind of leverages. I am just selling my spot Bitcoin. Okay, this is the best way for cryptocurrency market. And yeah, let's check 5-minute again. I'm going to set a short position on 43,000 and 40. Let's check Coinex. Let's check 5-minute time frame. I'm going to sell it at this level. I think it's good. 43 and 422. Okay. 43, 400, and 11. Okay, I'm going to sell my Bitcoin. Let's check 1 hour time frame. Hmm, 4 hour time frame. One minute time frame. Yeah, this level is good. I'm going to set my sell Bitcoin on this level. Guys, this live is not a financial advice, and I'm just trading for my own. I'm not recommending you to do anything. sell limit, trading pair, Bitcoin USD, for 43,411 amount. Confirm. Okay, I've set an order. I've set a sell limit order. If price moves up, I'm going to sell my Bitcoin here. Okay, and I'm going to buy it back, for example, $42,800. Okay, this is going to be something like $600 profit. In this strategy, I will focus on increasing the amount of my Bitcoin. It moves up. You know, if it moves up and if it hits somewhere around $43,500, I'm going to buy it back. Okay. So my stop loss is pretty low. My stop loss is going to be here. If price moves up this much, I'm going to buy back my Bitcoin. So let's see what's happening. The lens is clean, man. You have to increase the quality of the slide. I think we are going to see some rejections from this level. We are live trading, guys. It's a 1 minute time frame. It's moving up. Let's check other time frames, like 5 minutes. We are getting rejected from this trend line. Guys, the lens is clean, but I'm going to make it cleaner in order to show you that lens is clean. You have to increase the quality of this live. On the blue line, I'm going to enter short position on Bitcoin in 1 minute time frame. Come on, man. Activate activate my order. Okay, I'm going to clean the lens as you requested too many times, but it's clean. Is it better now? No, because it was clean at the first moment. I'm doing fine, Hussein. I'm trying to trade here. Let's check 15-minute time frame again. Oh, you want to see the numbers? Oh, no, not activated yet. Okay, guys, we are live trading here for new people in the live. I want to sell one Bitcoin and the 43,000 and 411, 43, 411. I'm going to sell one Bitcoin here. I'm going to buy it back at lower prices. This is what I want to do right now. Thanks, Amir Fakhri. Thank you, man. My order, my sell limit order is not activated yet. No, don't move down, man. Could we do the same with altcoins? No. You shouldn't do anything. You should just watch. It's pretty sad. Don't be nervous, guys. Quite boring right now. Guys, don't use leverages if you are trading in cryptocurrency market. Oh my god. It didn't activate my order. My order is here. My sell order is not activated yet, Sajid. My sell order is here. Let's check 1 hour time frame. Or if 5, no, 30 minute time frame. So 30 minute time frame. We might have a pullback after that. I think we can see some lower levels for Bitcoin. So, what's up, guys? How you doing? In order to make money in financial markets, you need to be confident, and you need to remain cool. If it was not a live video, I wouldn't be sitting here and watching this chart. You know that? If it was not a live video, I would be gone. Because if you sit and watch everything, it's going to be stressful. I've talked about Doge before, Sajid. It's 40 minutes that we are live. So let's move back here. And let's see what's going on. I think this time my sell order is going to get activated somewhere around here. The previous time frame was 1 hour time frame. Okay guys, if you are new in my live, I'm going to sell one Bitcoin at the 43,411. I'm going to sell it at this price. Okay, and I'm going to buy it back at some lower prices. I can see some tree driver pattern here. Hi, David. So this time I think this trade is going to get activated. Thanks, David. I'm waiting right now to see what's going to happen. We are having some trading range for Bitcoin in 1 minute time frame. I think we are going to see some lower levels for Bitcoin. Come on. My laptop charge is getting ended. You can see up here. My battery is running out. I hope this trade gets activated sooner. Do we have divergence? My voice is a little bit noisy, I know that. Because my clothes, is on my clothes, and let me move it to somewhere else. Come on. Market is quite boring these days, and I agree with that. But XRP, I think we are going to see, and XRP court result will be somewhere around 3 months from now. Okay, the result of court is coming out soon, and after that XRP can move up. It's moving up. Let's check my order. Not activated yet. Guys, stay here. I'm going to bring the charger of my laptop, okay? because I am running out of battery. I'm going to bring it. Tonight's trade is getting a little bit boring. I will be back soon. I am back, and this trade is getting really annoying. Logging my laptop. Yeah, guys, I'm back. Oh my god, just activate my order. Um, I think it will activate my order. One minute time frame, Ali. So let's check 1 hour time frame. In this time frame, we can see some shadows from here. Have this level here and this level. Let's move back to 1 minute. In the 1 minute time frame, we have this setup. If market fall down, Doge can get higher. Can Doge get higher levels? I don't think so. You know, cryptocurrency market is extremely correlated. My target is not really big. My stop loss is small. It's been 1 hour, guys. And my friends are waiting for me. You're learning with me. It's cool. English language, yeah. So what do you think? It might be a head and shoulder, but I'm not trading it because I'm seeing head and shoulder pattern. This position can be filled with 15-minute time frame. Okay, I'm going to check that. So I think the downtrend has begun, and my sell limit position is not getting activated tonight. Right now I'm going to cancel my sell limit position, because if we want to see any kind of bearish movement, we are going to see it after this candle. You know, if we want to see any kind of bearish movements, we are going to see it after this big red candle. I'm going to cancel my sell position, because if it wanted to fall down, it would have happened by now. Now after this big candle, market has to go down. So I'm canceling my sell limit position. You can actually check the result of this analysis, of this live analysis. I'm going to share it with you. I might enter short position, but I need to see some more confirmations. I hope you enjoyed this live, and sometimes trading is like this. You wait 1 hour and you end up making nothing. Yeah, I'm going to explain to you my live trading system in a spot. In a spot trading, I'm really sorry about that, but I'm not going to enter short position anymore, because I think if market wanted to fall down, it would have happened after that big red candle in 1 minute time frame. In the spot trading, I am shorting Bitcoin. I'm selling my Bitcoin. I am buying it back in the lower levels at the lower prices. This is my strategy for live trading of Bitcoin in 1 minute, 5 minute, or even daily time frame. This is what I do, and I don't recommend. And you know, back then in 2016, we were doing it. We were making a lot of profit from using this strategy. We were holding Bitcoin, but we were selling it to increase the number of the Bitcoins that we hold. And you know, we ended up making a huge amount of money. But after that, a new market became, which was actually this future market, margin trading market. And you know, most of people ended up losing a huge amount of money. Okay, and you know, I think the best way to trade in a spot trading is Bitcoin dollar. And also, you know, the best way of trading is Bitcoin dollar without any kind of leverages. And thanks for the feedback. You know, there's a lesson here, guys. It doesn't matter that you wait for an hour. Okay, it doesn't matter. Sometimes you have to cancel your position. Okay, sometimes you have to cancel it, because the market is not going to move the way you want it. Every day we are going to have live trades. Today we couldn't make it. It doesn't matter. But maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after that. But I might enter short position after this. I might do it, but I'm going to close this live video because I think we are done. I hope you enjoyed this live. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell of this channel, because tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, and every day we are going to live trade with this strategy. This strategy is going to work pretty well, and you are going to see that. And yeah, everything you needed to know. I'm going to see you later. Tomorrow night we are going to try again. We are going to do it again. And yeah, the lesson in this live is psychological lesson. Sometimes you wait too much for short or buy position, but you have to cancel it. You have to give it up, because the market is not going to move the way you want it. There's a psychological lesson here. It's really important. Another lesson here is to remain positive without stress. And you can't actually trade with these clothes because it's pretty warm. You know, in tomorrow night's live, I'm going to be more sport. See you later.